Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share with you my exercise and business plans. So, isa sa ginagawa ko araw-araw. Hindi. Ayan. Pero hindi ko siya tinatagalan ang parquet elbow planks. Kasi nagkakadiskuro ang aking zip. Please, yun yung kawan. Kailangan na naman ang nalaga. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me and see you in my next exercise. Please follow me and I will follow you back.